How to reset GPS settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to fix GPS not working and improve location accuracy on your Samsung device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to expand all Quick Settings options. Following that, look for the location icon among your tiles. Now, if location is already on, tap it to turn it off. Wait a moment and tap it again to turn it back on. This refreshes your GPS connection. Moving forward, open the Settings application on your device. Tap on Location to access location settings. Make sure location is toggled on at the top. Afterwards, tap on Location Services or Improve Accuracy. Toggle on Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. These help improve your GPS accuracy significantly. Go back and tap on Location Method or Mode. Select High Accuracy to use GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks. This provides the most accurate location tracking. Additionally, long press on the Google Play Services app icon. Tap on the Info or I button to open App Info. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary GPS data. Don't tap Clear Data as this may affect other Google services. Now open the Google Maps application to test your GPS. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on Settings from the menu. Look for Navigation Settings or Location Accuracy. Make sure Location Accuracy is enabled. Close Google Maps and go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Look for Google Play Services in the list. Tap on it to open App Info. Check if it's updated to the latest version. If not, visit the Play Store and update it. Now press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, open Google Maps again and test your GPS. Your location should now be more accurate and GPS should work properly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you reset GPS settings on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.